Data visualization, scatter plots. The scatter plots is a two-dimensional data visualization that uses dots to represent the values obtained for the two different variables, one plotted along with x-axis and other plotted with along with the y-axis. The scatter plot is a type of plot that shows the data as the collection of points in the form of dots and shows the relationship between two variables, one plotted along the x-axis, another plotted along the y-axis. Syntax: scatter x, y and color, marker. Marker is a symbol style for representing the data points. S, square marker. O, circle marker. D, diamond marker. X, cross marker. Plus marker. Cap, triangle down and triangle up. V is the triangle up. Program: import matplotlib dot pyplot as plot x values, y values. Plot dot scatter x, y. A plot dot x label is age. Plot dot y label is number of employee. Plot dot show. Okay. So this will show if I execute our program. This will show as a dots. Only dots for age as well as number of employee. Okay, next we will go this age and the employees. Program 2. So here age and number of employees, I put a color red and a marker x. So here I added two other parameters, colors and marker. See this marker, color and markers. Okay, so this will show like this. Saving plots or charts graph to file by saving saving plot file by saving save file path. We can save the plot into the file. See like this: save fb training whatever scatter.pdf. Program 3. Here I put a weight and a height. Weight and a height. Okay, this is the weight parameter, weight, height, c equal to b and the marker equal to o. Weight is the x label, y height is the y label. Font size 16. Scatter plot title was a font size. See this weight and height. For this weight, what is the height? What is the weight? What is the height? Okay, calculating that one. So if you want to execute, you can execute the program. Weight and height. For this weight, how much height is required? So that is we are putting in the scatter plot. So for the weight, what is the height? Okay, now quartiles. The word quartile comes from the word quantity. Means a quartile is where a sample is divided into equal size or subgroups. That's why it sometimes called a fractile. Okay, so that that's why it can also refer to dividing the probability distribution into areas of equal probabilities. The median is a kind of quartile. The median is placed in a probability distribution at center, so that exactly half of the data is lower than the medium and half of the data is above the medium. The medium cuts a distribution into two equal parts. So why sometimes it's called a second quartile. Quartiles and quartiles, when they divide the distribution into four equal parts. Deciles or qualities that divide a distribution to 10 equal parts, and the percentile when they divide distribution into 100 equal parts. How to find the quartiles? Sample questions. Find the number of following set of data where 30% of values fall below it and 70% fall above. Okay, 2, 3, 4, these are the numbers. Order the data from the smallest to largest. The data in the question is already in ascending order. Count how many observations you have in your data set. That this particular data set has 40 times. Convert the percentage to decimal for Q. We are looking the numbers where 30% of values fall